Welcome to NFTstudio24.com.
Today we're going to talk about how to purchase Ethereum to buy an NFT. The beginner's point for buying any crypto is always going to start with an exchange, and depending on your country, there will be ones that are better suited for you. The main exchanges people will use are Coinbase, KuCoin, and Binance. So if you see one that isn't available when trying to download, just look for the other ones until you're able to download one on your phone or create an account on your computer. Because exchanges are regulated by governments, it is going to need you to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, the exchange will also have you connect your credit, debit card, or bank account. Regular national printed currency is called fiat currency, and you will need to deposit that into your exchange account. Once you have deposited into your account, you can now exchange it for any crypto you would like, and most commonly for NFTs, you'll need to exchange to ETH, and that is the cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain and the original blockchain that invented NFTs. Every exchange is set up differently, but you will need to search out the currency. Put in the amount you would like to buy, then there will be fees associated depending on the exchange, and it will immediately create a crypto wallet for you to hold your cryptocurrency. And now you are ready to go, and you will just need to go to your wallet holding your ETH inside of the exchange app and click on the send button, then copy the wallet address to your MetaMask and click on send, then paste the wallet address from your MetaMask. A good reminder when doing this is to always make sure the first 4 and last 4 digits match up to the MetaMask wallet address. If you get the address wrong, the money will be lost and not recoverable. There will also be fees associated with sending ETH to your other wallet, so you always have to account for that in all transactions. So once you paste and send, you can now wait for the ETH to show up in your MetaMask wallet, and you will be good to buy NFTs. Remember to like this video, and of course let us know below as to what type of topics you would like for us to cover here on our NFT.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTstudio24.com.